Hey, Nick. This is a representation of a good sister. This is his sister. Hi. His name is Nick. Shut up, man.
What are you doing here? Leave Jeffrey and Helen alone.
Hillary, what do you think I am? I came down here merely to hang out with my good friend Jazz.
Well, while you're at it, cozying down. I gotta run. There's a Morse cable man.
Yo, Jay, wait a minute. I think your cousin's really starting to warm up to you. Yeah, right. What's wrong with you?
That is a boring TV show.
You mean Wonder Woman? Check this out. I got the worst luck in the world.
This is a better TV show than
Yo, I go to Home G up with an old
that.
Turns out to be. I know, Jerry. She's perfect. Oh, man, I'm in love. And she didn't even want to go out with her in the first place. I don't know what you guys do in Philly, but in LA, we don't get stuff like that away.
I just having a little slop party.
You mess around and get yourself killed. Well, I don't know what you guys do in Philly, but in LA, women ain't have to take that risk. Bro, you want to take this outside? Calm down, man. Listen. Tell me, how's your butt?